Welcome to my 20th Python course. In this course, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Lambda keyword in Python. It is used to create a small anonymous function. It can take any number of arguments but can only have one expression. So, let's begin. So, let's create a function. A function is also def add like this. So, this can take a parameter, but let's just put a parameter like x and y. But we want to return something. So we want to return x plus y like this. Or let me just leave this as x plus 1 first for you guys to understand what a lambda keyword is. So let me remove this y. Then call this function which is print add like this. Add. So let's just input 7 and let me run this code. Now the output is 8 because 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. But this block of code can also be written using lambda keyword or anonymous function in Python. So this is just using one line. I can say that my function is equal to x or just anything that you like. We can name this L, then it depends on the context. So L is equal to lambda. So we can say that this is x, then x plus 1 like this. So if I should print L function like this, so let me just input 7 also, we are going to get our output as 8 like this. So let me just call this func for you guys to understand that this is a function. So func like this. So this is the same thing. So this is 8. So this block of code here, this block of code is the same thing as this block of code. So that is the concept of lambda keyword in Python. We can also add more parameters in this place. So let me create another function. So let me call this second func like this is equal to lambda. This is going to have lambda. So we can see that this is x and y. Then we can see that x plus y like this. So this is the argument, then this is the return value in this case. So if I just print second func of x and y, so let me say that this is 4 5. So we're going to get our output as 9 because 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So that is just what lambda function is. I'll be creating another lambda function. So let's call this third func, like third func is equal to a lambda. So lambda of what am I typing? Lambda a. So let's just say that a, then a mod 3. That is if the number is divisible by 3. So this is the function itself. So this will return true if the number is divisible by 3. Then if it doesn't divisible by 3, it's gonna return false. So we don't need to specify a return value. So if I should like this, like let me call this function like third func of 5 and run this code. Now the output is false because 5 is not divisible by 3. So let me input 6 here and run this Python code. So we got true. So we can use this function to filter out a number inside a list. So we can use a list comprehension here. So let's say that li, which stands for list, li is equal to an empty list. So we can see that li is equal to t for t in range, a range of values. So let's just say that 1 to 20. We want this to filter out a number from 1 to 20. So if, then we're going to call the function if third func of a, but we are going to be passing in t because this is what we are using here. So if I should run li, print li and run this code, Now I have my output as 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, which are multiples of 3. So that is just what a lambda function is. It's just an anonymous function for a block of function like this. So this is just a way of writing a function. So you can just use the small function inside your code if you're writing a big project or some other stuff. So it just depends on the context. So it's really cool. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.